Don't you be.
This for YouTube.
I'm gonna knock your ass out.
Michael Jackson. I mean, you knew him.
So y'all always be trying to talk about shit you don't know. He didn't have a fucking childhood. Huh?
What the fuck? I just saw a whole light pole on the ground. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to show y'all a little trick how to get some clients, man. See this right here? This is my card. I give this to new people that I meet, and I give them a cut for $10, man. First time cut. I put all my info on the back. Get you a little card like this and just pass them out to folks, man. You need to have like a little incentive on front though. Like, that's why I put $10 cuts on there for like the first cut. Reel them bitches in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm about to head to the casinos before my first appointment. See if I can pass some of these cards out.
She got him! She got him! Look at that! He's a clone now.
I play one.
You got one feet?
Bro, how y'all even see that, dude?
Oh, how you don't see it? Just put your own table.
I'm playing with him.
Wow, about the rats out today.
You got some cut last night? Yeah, nah, that mosquito bite, bye. Yeah. We talking about Paul?
Hey, what up, Count Dracula?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I got some cut last night.
I'm about to go see a girl about mosquito at about 2 o'clock. Your barber school is not no club. I'm trying to tell y'all, look, we even got the basketball court now. We even got a basketball court out there, motherfucker, now, man. Your barber school is not P, man. Look at that. Yeah. We ain't cutting up no crazy no more. You know what I'm saying? We made it out the hood. Tell them, Quint. We ain't cutting up no crazy no more.
No crack, man.
Did this nigga just say he ain't cooking up crack? Well, I know you had that hard knock life. Cutting up no crazy no more.
No crack, man. No crack, man.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Man, hey, man, if you ain't here, you ain't nowhere. Get somewhere.
Yeah. To get somewhere, man. We went from crates to go. YouTube, we back. Had about 10 barbers in there, motherfucker. That boy Steph the brand. Say you back. Yes, sir. That boy Steph from that U-Haul video y'all saw him, you know what I'm saying? He back. He went away for like 8 months to Nashville, Tennessee. Now he back permanently. But you know what I'm saying? We got a new barber, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm about to show y'all right now. My dog Bill. $10 cut. Everybody put that Gates on there. What you saying? What song?
Don't you be.
This for YouTube.
I'm gonna knock your ass out. Hey, till my hair is curved.
What color you getting?
Blonde.
No. Ain't your name Kevin Gates?
Oh, me? I ain't Kevin
He
Gates.
wishes.
Say 2 phones.
2 phones.
We got a new barber in here. My dog Bethany Stewart, all the way from North Carolina.
Van Cleveland, something like that.
She gonna be right here, man. Y'all come forward with her. But anyway, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Your boy done with barber school. This time last year, I was at the shipyard, man. Shit crazy. Now I'm done with barber school, man. Your boy about to go legit, you know what I'm saying? Too legit to quit. I'm gonna tell y'all like this. If some of y'all like doing, man, y'all need to do that to you in your off time so you can go full time with it, you know what I'm saying? This shit crazy, man. I'm making more than what I was getting out there. What you guys say, Terry?
Well, finally done, you know what I'm saying? He been in school for about 5 years.
What?
So, 5 years? Nah, I'm playing, y'all. He been about a good year. Still can't cut out head though.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Yeah.
And Pep Station. Which station look like, not even, I ain't counting the station over here. Which station look like we get started? It look like he ain't. You got 2 bottles over there.
You see, I got 2 bottles.
Alcohol, you got Tresemme.
Alcohol and Tristan.
Bro, every single cut he do, he needs something out your station
To complete it.
It shouldn't be that way.
I did them whole 2 cut cuts. I ain't even go to the chair station. One time.
What you come on up for?
So some trimmers that might be mine because he said I can buy them.
Some what?
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Look, for these right here, he said I can buy them. $60. So they mine.
This is all I'm trying to tell these folks. You don't need white man paperwork.
What? What are you talking about?
You gotta have that spirit.
See that over there right there?
Like all this player efficiency shit don't matter anymore.
Came from right here. Spirit.
I see them thighs, bitch, I see that ass. Let a nigga smash, let a nigga smash.